So again, if you remember, we talked about this diverter valve having the most common size threads in the States, 55/64 diameter, 27 threads per inch. If your faucet doesn't have male threads, that is threads on the outside like this, to mate to these female threads of your accessory, in this case the diverter valve, you might need an adapter. Or if your faucet threads are a different size, you're going to need an adapter. So in the case of just changing the gender, we might use something like this. This particular adapter is 55/64 on both ends. You would take a rubber washer, you'd thread this up into your faucet. So now instead of having female threads in your faucet, you've got male threads sticking out, and you'll be able to thread in the diverter valve on those threads. But if your faucet doesn't have 55/64 threads, perhaps it has 13/16 female threads. So we're going to put this up in the faucet, thread it in, these 13/16 threads here, and now we've got these male 55/64 threads sticking down, again, to put the accessory on, in this case, the diverter valve. In some special cases, the faucet is designed with the aerator way up inside, and in that case, we're going to need a longer version of the adapter. This happens to be the 15/16. You can see it's very tall. These are the 15/16 threads. Put those up in the faucet, and you've got your 55/64 sticking down for your accessory. Same thing, but 13/16 here, 55/64. You might remember this one. This is the special case Delta faucet. It happens to be 13/16, but a special case design where it reaches up even further before you get to the rubber washer. And not to be left out, we've got symmetric adapters that are also long version. I believe this is an 18 millimeter going to 22 millimeter, or again, 55/64. Anytime you're installing an aerator, an accessory, or an adapter, you want to make sure that each joint has a rubber washer. So in this case, this Delta tall adapter has the rubber washer on the top. You thread that up into the faucet. That seals the joint between the faucet and the adapter. Then you put your accessory on, and in that case, the black rubber washer is inside the accessory. You thread that on, and those rubber washers seal those joints.